All you have to do is log into this brand new website. I've never talked about it before. Set it up as I've shown you in this video, and then relax while repeatedly making money in the process. Today, I will show you how to get paid online in a passive manner, and also, I will show you other people doing the same thing to prove the legitimacy of this strategy. And the best thing here is, I will show you step by step on how you can replicate this strategy. Just stay tuned to find out how. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. One of the websites that I will introduce to you today in this video is offervault.com. This website is basically an affiliate marketplace wherein you can find hundreds of thousands of offers to promote. And the good thing here, if you refer someone to a certain offer and register on the site, you get paid. It's not necessary to have sales to earn on this website. One type of offer makes it to the top, and the main reason we should use it is the CPA. CPA stands for cost per action. It means that a person you refer to an offer doesn't need to spend any money for you to get paid. Convincing someone to sign up is way easier than purchasing something. The CPA that you will get is depending on the products that you promote. Some products have less than $10, and there are also close to hundreds of dollars. If you scroll down, you will see this one. Founded in 2009 by affiliate marketers, OfferVault is the internet's best resource for affiliates to find affiliate offers, connect with affiliate networks, and verify their reputation. It really sounds fantastic. To move to the other step in making money online, all we need to do on this website is create an account. To do that, hop in your mouse to the upper left portion and click register. This is the first step for us to be an affiliate on this website. On the next page, you will just plainly enter the necessary information: your first name, last name, email, password, and confirm your password here. Select your country, and lastly, your Skype ID, and click on Submit Now. Once your account is already set and you are much excited to start your journey on this platform, you can click on Categories, which you can find in this portion, and look for CPA, and click on it. I will give you a tip in choosing products to promote. Be sure that the product you have chosen is available worldwide. Since we need to convince more to earn more, we need to target as many countries as we can to have a bigger scope of traffic. You can definitely determine the covered countries of the products in this portion. With that said, I saw a product that has an insane amount of CPA, and I can 100% recommend this product too. As you can see, this is available internationally, and it will pay us $95 per lead, which is one of the highest paid that I have ever seen. Just think of it. You will get paid $95 for just someone signing up on your link. That's a totally insane amount of money. As you can see here, it's available in 251 countries around the globe. Our traffic doesn't limit to certain selected countries. As you can see, this is an affiliate offer about a drone website, and why we want to focus and promote this particular type of offer is because I have a way for you to get a lot of traffic, and I will actually show you people doing the same thing we will be doing and making a ton of money online. So you will prove that this strategy actually works and will actually pay you. Once again, I want you to keep in mind that people don't need to purchase a drone from this particular site for you to get paid. They literally just need to sign up for free, and whether you buy it or not, you'll get paid $95. Now, with all that said, since you already have an account, all you need is to grab an affiliate link to this particular offer. To do that, simply click on Run Offer right down here, and it will take you to a page wherein the existing network promoting this offer. And all you need to do is to provide all the necessary pieces of information and sign up. I won't walk you through this process since it's different for every offer you're promoting. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now you already have the affiliate links. The thing that we will be going to do is to create traffic on it. The best traffic source at this time is none other than YouTube. The good thing here is you will not make your own video. All you need to do is grab and re-upload the video together with your affiliated link. And you don't need to worry about YouTube because later I will show you a website that can help us gain thousands of views. As I said in the beginning, some people are doing the same things and getting paid a decent amount of money. Since we're promoting a drone, all you need to do is to search videos related to drones. For example, Best Drone 2021, Best Drone for a Price, and so on. So, here is one video that I opened up and checked out. The channel owner did not film these videos. This person downloaded various clips online and compiled them into a single video, then uploaded them on YouTube. As you scroll down a bit, you will see that there are affiliated links on the description box below. These are affiliated links related to drones shown in the video. Basically, this person earns money for the video that he didn't even film. I already found another video. It's also made in the same way. And also, there are affiliated links in the description box below. This YouTube channel will definitely prove that this strategy is actually working 100%. And as you can observe, this guy is promoting drones on Amazon, which has two major disadvantages. First, the affiliate rate of Amazon is not that decent. They only offer 1% at least and 10% at most. This amount of money is not that big compared to OfferVault. Second, on Amazon, people need to purchase the items for you to get paid. But in OfferVault, people just need to sign up so that you can earn money. See, there's a certain huge advantage of this website compared to Amazon. As you can see, you have a huge potential here to earn a lot of money making these types of drone videos. All you need to do is to create a drone video compilation. To do so, click on Filters here and select Creative Commons. This will now display videos that you can download and re-upload on your own if you ask how to download videos on YouTube. Just copy the link of the YouTube video, go to Google, search YouTube to MP3, select MP4, and click Download. After you download it, you can upload it on your YouTube and attach your affiliate link. And in terms of views, I will introduce you a website and I would highly recommend you check this out to boost your YouTube views. This site is vfly.com. This software you can use to boost the number of views on any YouTube video. As you can see below, they are using AdWords to promote your videos to the right audience. You will use vFly to bring people interested in drone videos that might click on that link you have in the description and earn $95 every time. Since it's such a big amount of money, you only need 100 people to sign up to that site for you to earn $9,500 US. But vFly is a paid software, and I think it's worth enough because you can earn so much money per single sign up. And for those who are questioning the legitimacy of vFly, go to trustpilot.com and check out the reviews. You will find out it has a rating of 4 stars, so it's definitely a legit website. And here's the best part about this. Once you upload that video and promote it, your work is essentially done. Just leave the affiliate link in your description and get paid $95 again and again. vFly is optional, but if you have a bit of money to spare, I highly recommend you invest in it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.